Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5727. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine with the bonnet, which has 2 small dents, radiator grille, front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror has some paint peeling, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left-hand tail light, we have the right-hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command controls, climate control, heated controls, left sun visor, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.